Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the 5-piece bamboo drawer organizer set by Pipishell, a multi-use storage solution perfect for any room in your home. Crafted from high-quality, renewable bamboo, these elegant rectangular boxes offer a sustainable alternative to plastic, ensuring a healthier lifestyle while keeping your space organized. The set includes 5 different sized boxes, each measuring 2.4 inches in height, allowing you to mix, match, and stack them to fit any drawer size seamlessly. Whether you're organizing office supplies, cosmetics, or jewelry, these smooth surface boxes provide a burr-free experience, making them ideal for safely storing everything from makeup brushes to bracelets. Designed for versatility, you can use them in your office, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom to sort daily tools, stationery, and more, proving that the possibilities are endless. Pipishell ensures customer satisfaction with professional service before and after your purchase, so you can enjoy peace of mind along with a clutter-free environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative organization solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.